What is embryology? Embryology is the study or science of the growth of a living thing. In this project, you will study the science of the chicken embryo. You will be able to watch the embryo growing inside the egg until it hatches into a chick. The chicken egg is an excellent learning tool for the study of embryology. Unlike most animals, the chicken embryo growth takes place within the egg and outside the body of the mother. Also, the egg is small, available, and has a short incubation period, making it very easy to study in the classroom. How do we incubate eggs? In nature, the female bird, hen, picks the nest site and lays a group or clutch of eggs, usually 8 to 13 eggs, 1 egg per day. Once she has a clutch of eggs, she begins sitting on the eggs all the time, leaving only for food and water. This time is called the incubation period. The hen's body temperature is 105 to 106 degrees Fahrenheit. When she sits on the eggs, this heats the center of the eggs to 100 to 101 degrees Fahrenheit. The hen turns the eggs on a regular basis by using her beak to scoop under the egg and roll it toward her. The humidity, or moisture, comes from the environment, the hen's body, and any moisture the hen brings back to the nest on her feathers. We have replaced the hen with a machine called an incubator. The following are very important for a successful hatch. Number 1, the temperature should be kept between 99 degrees Fahrenheit and 101 degrees Fahrenheit. The temperature can be adjusted depending on the type of incubator. Some have fans to help stir the air. These are called forced air incubators, and they should run at 99.5 to 100.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Some incubators do not have fans to stir the air. These are called still air incubators. You should run still air incubators at 100 to 101 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures below 99 degrees Fahrenheit result in late hatches and weak chicks. Temperatures over 102 degrees Fahrenheit result in early hatches and weak chicks. Temperatures below 92 or over 105 degrees Fahrenheit will cause the embryos to die. Number 2, humidity is the amount of water in the air. Always keep the water trays full of water when incubating eggs. If the humidity is too low at any time during incubation and/or hatch time, the chicks will have trouble hatching. This is because the egg loses too much water during incubation. If this occurs, the chick has a hard time moving in the shell, sticks to the shell, and becomes very weak. Lack of humidity in the incubator lowers the number of chicks that hatch. Number 3, turning the eggs. You always want to wash your hands before and after turning the eggs. Make sure the eggs are marked with a pencil on opposite sides, with an X on one side and an O on the other side. This will help you know when all the eggs are turned. Gently turn the eggs 3 times a day, morning, noon, and end of the day. By turning the eggs an odd number of times each day, we make sure the embryo is not resting on the same side during the long overnight hours. Stop turning the eggs 3 days before the expected hatch date. Number 4, fresh unpolluted air. Do not use markers to label your eggs. Do not use strong chemicals, cleaning products, or insecticides near the incubator and/or the classroom.